Welcome to Spotless Networking. Well, at Spotless networking is not just networking. It's special, it's different, it's unique, it's personal, it's comfortable, it's easy, and it's a really good evening out, isn't it?
Absolutely. We want to create that relaxed atmosphere for someone so they can connect on a kind of a more one-to-one basis and enjoy a great evening.
The brain is a supercomputer, and the self-talk that you run is the program that it runs. So if you believe that you have a bad memory, well, you'll forget the next person you meet. But if I told you I'd give you £500, Richard, to remember the next person you meet, I bet £500 you'll remember their name. Okay? So that's a key principle already.
And I've just come off, I guess, a stage talking to Spotless Networking, create something truly unique when it comes to networking. An environment which I think all of us have been in, and it's safe to say it's the best atmosphere I've experienced.
It's really great, I love it. It's really, really friendly. It's nice to just mingle and chat to people, and because this is my third time, I've got to know a few of the people now, so it's like coming to see your friends.
Well, it's I've been to other networking events, not many, but they're very formal, and also you'll go there with that feeling that something's expected of you, whereas you come here, you have a nice night out with nice people, and nothing is really expected of you.
By networking, people build that personal relationship, know, like and trust factor, rather than just Googling or a Facebook search or a Twitter search to find someone. That's why I keep coming back, because it builds that recognition with people.
Very, very relaxed. It's super relaxed, but it's nice because it's an evening. So, you know, in an evening it's nice to feel relaxed. You're not thinking, I've got to do me 40 seconds, I've got to do me 60 seconds. You know, you're just going to talk to people, listen to someone, speak really well, and meet some lovely people.
The way that it's put together means people are far more relaxed, so they're talking to each other with much easier than other networking groups that I've been to. So it's a platform really for people to get to know each other better.
So if you want some more information on how to attend one of these meetings, or all the different meetings that we have, then click on the link that's attached to this video to find out more about us and to book up and come to one of our meetings.
Come and join us, it's really good fun.